What are the steps to perform a hard reset on Verizon FiOS router?
Hello there. In this video, we will learn how to perform a hard reset on your Verizon FiOS router. This process can be quite useful when you're experiencing technical difficulties or when you need to return your router to its factory settings. Remember, a hard reset will wipe all of your personalized settings, so proceed with caution.
Why should you perform a hard reset?
A hard reset can help in resolving many connectivity issues you may be facing with your Verizon FiOS router. It will restore your router to its factory settings, which means any custom configurations like your network name and password will be erased. Before performing a hard reset, try a soft reset or a simple reboot to see if that solves your issues. If not, then proceed to the hard reset steps.
What you need beforehand.
Before we start with the hard reset, ensure that your router is plugged into a power source and is switched on. You will also need a small, thin object like a paperclip or pin, which you'll use to press the reset button on your router.
Steps to perform a hard reset.
Here are the steps you need to follow to perform a hard reset. 1. Locate the reset button. The reset button is usually found at the back of the router. It's a small hole labeled Reset. 2. Press and hold the reset button. Use your paperclip or pin to press the reset button. Hold it down for about 10 to 15 seconds. 3. Wait. Release the button and wait for the router to restart. This can take a few minutes. You'll know the process is complete when the power light stops blinking and becomes solid. 4. Reconfigure your router. After the reset, you'll need to reconfigure your router settings such as your SSID, network name, and password. Remember, doing a hard reset will erase all your customized settings. It's wise to note down any important settings or information before performing this operation. And there you have it. Those were the steps to perform a hard reset on your Verizon FiOS router. We hope this guide was helpful and resolved any issues you were having. Remember, always make sure to save your customized settings before initiating a hard reset. Thanks for watching.